Merry Christmas to y'all. You know, wearing a Jimmy, Christmas gift from my boys. You know, um, want y'all to stay safe. Be good to the families, teach it it's about only family, and being unite. It's not about the typical, hey, let's give everybody gifts until they get spoiled and go all nuts and crazy. No, it's about family. And I'm not going to go into the history of it because the history gets nasty when you look at Christmas. But I'm talking about now in this time period. Whatever you guys do, teach your kids, and some of you adults who don't have kids, be safe and be knowledgeable on what you're doing in the season because this season is not about going broke. The season's not about who has what, who has this, who has that. The season's about, I got a new boob job or my dick's longer. Okay, I didn't need to add that, but I'm adding that just in case you people got dicks and tits for Christmas. But anyways, this is my point. Merry Christmas. Enjoy it, y'all. Please, for the love of Shiva, Allah, Buddha, Jesus, Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Ahmed, maybe Adolf Hitler, I'd add to that list. Christopher Bumbleclock Columbus, who should be shot a bunch of times, and a whole bunch of people. Anyways, I had mixed good with bad in that situation, as you saw. Yeah, because we're all supposed to unite no matter what skin color, no matter what disease, no matter what's happening to you, if you lost a body part, or if you probably were born with no body parts. This is all I have to say. Enjoy your time with each other. And just because I have dreadlocks doesn't mean I don't give a fuck. It's because I do give a fuck, man. Merry Christmas and enjoy, guys. This is for adults and adults only.